A leak in the dishwasher knob means it's time to replace the dishwasher control cartridge. We'll be using a 9000E to show you how to implement the change, but you can use the same procedure with any of FM Mattsson's range of taps. First, shut off the incoming water. Turn the knob to the left and insert a small screwdriver into the slot on the right to gently prise the cap off the unit. If you have a 9000 mixer, remove the cover cap at the front of the knob and then unscrew the Phillips screw to release the knob. The Garda series has a small lever that you angle upwards to remove, then loosen the Phillips screw and remove the knob. Unscrew the fixing nut which secures the cartridge. If it's made of plastic, as on this model, use the service tool that came with the replacement cartridge. If the fixing nut's made of brass, you'll need to use an adjustable spanner instead. Remove the cartridge and check for any old gasket remains and that the hole's clean. The replacement cartridge has two guiding studs on the underside. Make sure that they're positioned in the corresponding notches in the mixer body. A little tip here is to use your index finger to position the cartridge while you screw the fixing nut back in. Tighten firmly and put the dishwasher knob back on. Turn on the water again and then check to make sure that there's no leakage from the dishwasher knob.
Ask someone who knew me, they will never be the same again.